Stencil creates stunning social media graphics in minutes, and you can get started for free. They do have a pro plan for $9 a month and an unlimited plan, which allows you to create all images you want, plus all features are included. That's currently $12 a month if you get the entire year, or $20 monthly. Stencil is part of the visual brand design made simple catalog or tool set over at Namecheap. You can get Site Maker, create a website, Logo Maker, create a logo for your brand, Card Maker, create your business cards, and Stencil allows you to create your images, and they have a name generator which allows you to create a business name. When you're inside Stencil, it really comes together on how simple this is and the reason that it's not Canva. So Canva versus Stencil. Stencil isn't as much like Canva as you might think. Here's why business owners and content creators are making the switch. Because Canva is simple and it's built for speed. Canva is designed with social sharing in mind. Here you can see you can connect it to Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, as well as Buffer. Also, you can get a bit.ly short link. Stencil has an impressive collection of assets. Stencil simply is here to help. Back inside of Stencil, if you want to get started, all you have to do is click Create New Image. Down here, you can pick from lots of different pre-selected sizes. You can see Pinterest, Instagram photos, Facebook stories, profile picture, event photo. These are all set in pixels, inches, or centimeters. You can also select here, if you're just looking for social, you can see all the different social media templates. You have design, blog post feature, blog post image, small square, medium square, ads, Twitter lead card, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube display ads, Snapchat ad, leaderboard, all kinds of different templates for ads, as well as headers here. Redbubble, PayPal.me, Etsy, Patreon, Spotify, YouTube channel, LinkedIn, Twitter covers, Facebook covers, or your Twitter header, X header. You can also customize it here. Then once you do that, you have access to 5 million plus royalty-free photos. Here you can see featured, favorites, collections. It's also broken down into different categories that you can select right here. So, for example, if you were looking for a cool pattern, the patterns would start to load up, and then you would simply select the pattern that you're interested in. Once you click that, it'll load up on your canvas. Then once it's on your canvas, you can click here to add text. The text will drop in right there. You can resize the text. Over here, you're making the text larger or bigger. You can change the line height and the position. You can add a drop shadow here. And of course, you can change the text color. It has all the functionality of any type of image type creator that you can imagine, and you can duplicate text just with a click of a button like that. And also you can come over here and you can toggle focus mode, which just basically allows you to go full screen. They also have a toggle grid here if you want to line things up with a grid to get everything squared away. Then here you can clear the image. If you select that, it'll say clearing will remove all images and text. Are you sure? Simply select yes and it will clear it off. Here you have a list of icons. Featured icons, it's the same kind of thing here, favorites, and then different types of categories. Also different types of templates, featured templates, business, celebration, colorful, ebook, Facebook, fitness, holiday, Instagram, outlines, Pinterest, quotes. So if you're looking for quotes, this is one I like. I like to post quotes ever so often. You can simply click here and then you can select from one of these templates to pick a quote or to pick a template to add a quote. Here's probably a more traditional one here, and you can see it loaded up with that template as a Facebook photo, and then you're simply just dragging and dropping. You can also upload images. You simply just click here to upload images. It opens up your file browser. I'm on a Mac. It'll look a little different if you're on Windows, or you can drag and drop. Also, a cool feature here, you can add your logo watermarks for your different brands. So we'll go ahead and we'll create a new image or clear that off so you can see the brand. For example, if I was playing with this brand here, I would simply just put that brand in the corner or in the other corner or in the top or in the middle. But the idea here is you can turn the logo on and off. Basically, it allows you to create a branding or allows you to instantly brand your images with any logo that you're using. So for example, I have a logo here. You can check this out. I can darken or lighten the image. So basically I can change it to white or black, because if this was to become a black background, by coming over here and selecting the background color and changing that to black or a dark color, Then my logo down here, I would want to lighten it up and make it white, essentially. Reverse the color, and there you go. I have that branding instantly right there that I can turn on or off. Then, of course, you can save your images once you make them. Here's one that I saved. And instantly here, you can come and you can go default, and then you come over and you can change the size. So we're here, we're on the default photo. If I wanted to change it to a Pinterest post, I would select the Pinterest post, and you can see that it resized it right there. Down here, you can save to collection, save as a template. You can download it right here. You can download it in JPEG, PNG, different dimensions, different media types. You can also toggle this compression right here. This will give you the smallest file size, but it may take longer to process the download. And you close that. And then here you can preview and share straight to social media like we saw already. Here you can get the bit.ly link. It's going to generate a bit.ly link here for you that you could share. Here is where you can add it to Buffer and queue it up if you have access to Buffer to post for you on social media. You can also email it out. You can post it on Instagram. You could post it on Pinterest, Twitter, X, or Facebook. Click the link in the description and grab Stencil and start creating for free. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you.